JC Production.
Alexa, unlock front door. Welcome guys. This is a very fun and interesting video because I get to show you how I control my whole house with my voice. So let's find out. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Now, for a while, I have always wanted to create a home that was fully powered by voice. So when our friends at Amazon and Alexa reached out and said, hey, would you like to do something with Alexa and the Echo Show 10? I said, yes. So I painted this whole scenario, which you guys can clearly see. And if you're watching this for the first time, definitely hit that subscribe button and notification icon. So it's the weekend, I'm sitting at home, I'm playing Sonic the Hedgehog on my Amazon Fire Cube, playing on Luna, which is great, and I get a doorbell ring. It's Daniel, he's outside, he's coming in for dinner, and I can let him into my house. What's really cool is as he hits that Ring doorbell, it pops up on my TV screen and I can see who's out there, and all I have to say is, Alexa, unlock the front door, and my Scalage front door opens and he walks right in. That is really unique, and that is possible because of the Alexa skills. Now, you've heard this before many times from different people, is Alexa is within tons of devices out there, and you can use Alexa skills to connect them to do different things. So in my case, I was able to use Alexa skills to use my Ring doorbell and also my Ring spotlight and all my Ring features all together, as well as also my Scalage front door, so I can enable by voice to open and use that functionality quite easily. That's really great because most of the time when we think about Alexa, we go, we think about lights, being able to control them, turn them off, turn them on, change the color, but it's so much more with the smart home and things you have around your home. And that is really unique and cool. Now, another thing that I do like is also the integration with Wi-Fi. And I have the Aero Pro 6 here, which I have across the house. Now, they come in either a single module or a triple module, right? But I have two around the home. And what's really unique about them is that you can actually talk to your Wi-Fi hub directly through Alexa to do various things. So you can ask it to turn off Wi-Fi for your Xbox. So if your kids are playing too much Xbox, you can turn it off. Or you can do things like find your phone. Alexa, ask Aero to find iPhone.
iPhone is near to living room Aero.
That's pretty good. So you can actually connect and talk to your Wi-Fi hubs across your home, and it knows which specific one is. So you knew that, of course, my iPhone was closer to my hub here in the living room as opposed to the other ones around the house. Being a mesh hub, the Aero Pro 6 is great for your smart devices, and it's great if you're going to be adding more and more devices to your home. With me, I've got many devices that use a lot of bandwidth, and some of them are Wi-Fi 6 compatible, but I like that it supports devices that use a lot of bandwidth, like my Samsung Frame TV. Now, I love this thing because you can switch the frames. It's got some really great features.
Hey!
Artwork. What?
That's my video. I'm covering the Samsung Frame TV.
Okay.
Can you just go to the kitchen and cover the Echo Fan?
All right, that's the boss. Now this is the Echo Show 10. What I really like about this device, as you can see, the screen is rotating. It's got a 10.1 inch moving display, rotating display. In its face, you've got two tweeters, 1 inch, and a 3-inch subwoofer. So it gives really nice sound. So we can watch content on here. It's really nice and clear, listening to music, all that fun stuff. But that rotating display gives you a lot of great functionality. You can also ask it to follow you. So you've got that functionality built into this device. Now, this of course is a smart hub as well. So this would be a hub for all your smart devices. especially in the kitchen if you've got like smart appliances as well, which I hopefully will be getting soon. This will be the hub for it and allows you to have more connectivity with all your smart appliances in there. But this is also an entertainment hub, which means you've got access to things like Hulu, Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, right from the screen right here. Or you can also use voice. So I go, Alexa, play Expanse Season 5, Episode 3.
Here's the Expanse Season 5, Episode 3.
That's absolutely fantastic. I love The Expanse. Great show. Definitely a must watch. If you haven't, literally you can start off from season 1 on Amazon Prime Video. But the Echo Show 10 is a great device for that home experience. It works well in your kitchen, wherever you want to place it in your home. But I think right here on this island is great for me to use. There are other features you can use with your Echo Show 10. There's to communicate, where you can talk to other Echo devices in the home and maybe call family members out if you want to. You've of course got music playback. This is tied to my music streaming services. So whatever I listen to, whatever playlist, you will find right on here. So all those things are great and fantastic. But let's head over to the living room and finish our gameplay session with Luna. Alexa, order pizza.
I have a few skills for that. Domino's can help with that. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Here's the skill Domino's by Domino's Pizza, LLC.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed the whole experience using Alexa to control my home. Now this is something you can do in stages. You don't have to get everything, but just know that starting off with an Alexa speaker or an Echo Show allows you to do so many things like controlling your lights, answering your doorbell, unlocking your door, or even talking to your Wi-Fi hub. All those things are really possible with just the words Alexa, which is great. I'm gonna head back to play some Sonic the Hedgehog on Luna, and yeah, you can join me on that video to check out how Luna actually performs. But until then, it's time to game.
Production. JC Production. JC Production.